So I'm in the middle of servicing this key machine. It hasn't been properly serviced in years. We've got an issue here with a bearing. We've got an issue here on this with a misalignment. So I want to take this all apart. I want to pull this pulley off of this motor, and without doing any damage to the motor or to the machine, I want to get those off of there. Well, this is just stuck. It's just seized on there good. And that's from years and years of just sitting in that one spot. So I went out and bought a puller set. And this is Pittsburg Harbor Freight Special 3-jaw. And we're going to do a test on this using these and see how good they are. So again, this is the Pittsburg 3-jaw puller set. And you'll see how good they are. There's supposedly 3 different ones in here. There's the big one, there's the medium one, and there's the little one. So let's unbox them and see what they got. They are definitely in pieces. Assembly required. So, looks like about a 10 millimeter. And we want to pull this pulley off of here. So we want that puller like that. And that's how we're going to assemble this. I said it looks like 10 millimeter. We'll have to get out the wrench to be sure. And from what I know about these, you don't have to tighten those down very far. You want everything kind of loose, but not loose that it's wobbling all over the place. Just loose enough to let you do your work. If they're too loose, you'll end up bending and stripping things. If they're too tight, they won't grip properly. I think there might be a casting burr inside that one. It was difficult to get that on. Definitely an issue with that nut. There we go. So I'm going to snug those down, but I'm not going to make them tight. I'm going to spin that back out. I'm going to guess that's about a 14 or 15 millimeter. Let's get some wrenches and see. $14 millimeter, 10 millimeter. Boy, look at that. All right. We're going to lock that on there. Try to keep it centered. There is no dimple in the center of this shaft, so this may be an issue. Let's see if it'll come off. No. Okay, started. Big one's in my way. I'll tell you, it looks like that's coming off of there. Double check, make sure that wrench or that nut's not on there too tight. Well, I got the other ones right, but I didn't get this one anywhere near close. Still wrong. There's a wrench, I think. Yeah. There's nothing holding that on there. That's just sitting there, so this is definitely pulling off. It's very tight. So at some point in the past, it's gotten turned improperly. You can see where the set screw's at, but the flat's on this side, and that's where it should have been aligned with. So somehow it got installed wrong and left that way. This is actually pulling that off of there, but it is tight. There we go. Yeah, somebody's put oil on it, or we've got a bad seal. There is an oil port right there. So it could have come from there. So somebody twisted this in the past and they got it down there sideways, and there's a mark on there from trying to force it. So I'll clean that up. We'll fix this key machine, and that Pittsburg puller worked wonderful. There you have it.